Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making melted snowman slime. For the slime we're going to be making today, it's a float slime. And if you haven't heard of what a float slime is, it's basically a clear slime on the outside of the container and a cloud or an icy slime in the middle. So it basically looks like the middle slime is floating. Here is the clear slime that we're going to be using for our float slime today. It really does look like glass. It is so clear. And here's our cloud/icy slime for our float slime. It really isn't a cloud or an icy. It's very sizzly but doesn't have the best drizzle, so I really would think it's in between. I'm going to add some activator to our cloud slime so that it stays in its shape and doesn't move when we place it in our clear slime. I'm going to put the clear slime on the outside of the container so that it has room for the cloud slime in the middle. And now I'm going to roll the cloud slime into a ball like a snowman head and place it in the middle of our clear slime. I'm going to be using these boba beads for the eyes and the mouth of our snowman. I'm also going to be using some orange clay to shape a carrot for the snowman's nose. And for my favorite part of this slime, I'm going to be placing some iridescent glitter and some snowflakes around the clear slime of the snowman. And here I am placing the boba beads for its mouth. And here's our finished melted snowman float slime. I think this slime is so incredibly pretty. It definitely turned out how I wanted it to, and it just is so Christmassy. And here you can see where it really looks like a melted snowman, where you can see its eyes, its nose, and its mouth like it's actually melted.
Here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.